Actually, no, that's perfect. Hey, the chicken. He's a handsome little guy. Just a chicken. He's nice. Except for when he scratches you. Yes, not cut. Scratch. Shadow, you're in the camera. Well, I guess this is Shadow's camera. Well, phone and video. Say hi. You don't, okay. So, this is his YouTube channel now. Totally. This chicken is going to peck you off. Here, I will be probably pecked out if you get close to this guy. Huh. I'll cover you. I'm gonna put this guy down. Right now, I just want to show you. This is his wing. Look at that pretty wing. The back looks cool too. Nice. Can't put this guy down now. There you go. Let me show you this. Okay, don't mind the thing on the ground. But there he is. Now he's just running away. Then I showed you the ground. I'm pretty sure you saw him that time, but he ran away. I'm gonna get in the shade. But, what's up? So, you guys know me. Jason is a werewolf. Actual name, I'm gonna say my actual name. It's literally in the channel's name. Just Jason is a werewolf. So that's literally my name, Jason. I'm hoping my friend watches this. I saw hers. Well, dang. I'm not gonna say. I forgot what it said. I said you guys may know me, and she said I do. She tried making a channel. Couldn't. Well, she made a channel, just, you can probably guess that she deleted the video. Meh. Oh, wow. Gimme. I have up. Ow. That hurt. Well, I'm gonna find a shady area. Yeah, I know where one is. You come with me now, of course. Yeah, I know where one is now. Jeez. It's hot out here. This video is gonna be pretty short. Hey, it stopped raining. Forgot to make a video about this. Don't mind that. Here we go. The woods. The deep, deep woods. Yes. Deep, deep woods. We're in the woods. Seriously? Oh, fun fact. What was that? So, oh god. I don't know what happened. Okay, so fun fact. Saw my friend 2 times. One at 4th of July, and I think it was the day before that she was on a walk. I saw her. We drove around. We had to go somewhere else to the post office to get some mail. And funny thing is, we saw her when we turned around. So I think she saw us 2 times. Like the car 2 times. I'm hoping she doesn't know what the car is. So I can then jump out at a store and freak her out. I already know you're watching this. Or you're not. Who knows? But, fun fact. One of my cats got bit by a snake. He stayed in the house for like 3 days. And now he's doing better. He's outside running around. And then we got Shadow over here that has been bit by many snakes. And he is doing fine. He's clawing my leg right now. You know those claws hurt. I'm going to cut them someday. I'm walking around barefoot right now. So this hurts where I'm standing. So a lot of I forgot what these leaves are called, but they're on the ground. They're poking me. This is a pine tree. I hate this. And then we got a big one right there. I can climb probably. If I had my boots. I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of trees here that I can climb. Now I have a lot of ideas. 7 minutes. Pretty good. Am I hearing things? I have 24 subscribers now. That's pretty cool. Shadow. Smokey's in the house still. Now, our cats are outside cats, but they somehow will sometimes get in the house when we keep the door open by accident. Or they do, like, parkour and get in. To keep that tail down. You're not allowed to moon anyone. I don't know what's happening. Whenever it's winter, not winter, fall, I'm coming outside a lot. I'm making way more videos, mostly because they won't. Also, school's starting really fast now. Usually it's like a while until school starts, but nope, our school immediately was like, yeah, we're gonna start school early. We're supposed to have more time, but then I checked, and, starting it early, so yay! I already know I didn't post that many videos, but still, I was planning on posting way more. Like, in a couple of days I was about to post, like, 3 in like, the same time. And I'm trying to see when you want me to post. So that's why I've been posting, like, barely. I need you guys to tell me on every week, every month, or just every day. I mean, not every day, I need a break. Dude. My headphones are gonna get eaten by ants. Because I'm sitting in an ant. hang out like a pack or something of ants. Here we go. This is what I'm stepping on. These hurt right here. This is what I'm stepping on, and these are sharp things, and it hurts. These I'm barefoot. I mean, if Foxy was over here, I would show you her again. One-eyed cat, our pirate. The pirate in the group, Foxy. And then her crew, Shadow and Smokey. But Shadow and Smokey hate each other. They have a lot of beef. That's why I try to split them up all the time. That's why they're not both in a video. That's why most of Shadow's are in the videos. Because Smokey's just around the house or just inside doing some stuff. While Shadow over here